Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to install and run Mac OS on Windows. I already noted down all the steps required to do that. So this video is also useful for those who want to start developing iOS application and they don't have Mac, so they can completely start developing iOS application using Xcode using this tutorial. So we are going to start with first step. First step is download and install VMware personal use. It is free. You can check the FAQ for the usage. So let's click on the given link in the description and VMware Workstation Player download for free. So VMware Workstation and go to downloads. Here you can find different files. So this is for Linux. We have Windows 64-bit operating system. Download now. It will start downloading and you can see the progress. Wait for some moment. It will take some time to download the exe file. And you can see the download is completed. You can double click on it and start installation process. Next, I accept. Next, enhance keyboard driver. You also select that. Next, next, next. Install. Wait for a while. It starts installing. So it's copying files now. And installation is completed. Just finished. You must restart your system for configuration changes. Okay, we will restart it. So now I restarted my system and the VMware is already installed. And make a note that the default VMware does not support Mac OS, so we need to add patch which is called unlocker. So run VMware Mac OS unlocker. First of all, we need to download the unlocker file. So go to provided link in the description. And here you can see auto unlocker. Click on it. You can find Windows and Linux auto unlocker 64-bit zip file. So we will download zip file. You can see unlocker zip is downloaded. Now go to downloads. Inside download you see the zip file. Just unzip it, extract all, extract, and it is already extracted. Run it. Yes, you can see the VMware path is automatically selected here. You don't require to do anything here. So it is already taking the VMware path. Now you can add patch. As you can see, you got the message patch installed successfully. So patch has been installed successfully. Press OK. Close. So after installing the patch, the third step is download macOS ISO file. So I already provide the link in the description below. Click here. Go to downside and you can see ISO images. Here you will find different images. So this is ISO image for macOS. Yeah, this is the latest one, 13.0 Ventura. You can select that and press on download. It will start downloading. It is very big file, so it will take a lot of time. So let me stop video here and I will come back after this will get downloaded. So finally I successfully able to download the ISO file, which took a lot of time. Now move forward to fourth step. We have to create a virtual machine. So open VMware Workstation Player and you can start creating virtual machine. Create virtual machine, install from disk, browse the file from where we downloaded the ISO file. So I downloaded in the drive, downloads and this is, so ignore this warning. This is just a warning. You should ignore that and move forward by pressing next. After pressing next, you see this screen, new virtual machine wizard. You must have Apple Mac OS X here. If you don't find my Apple Mac OS X here, then there is something wrong with patching. The patching is wrong. So just stop here and uninstall the workstation again, VMware workstation again, and start from the beginning and try to delete all the VM files from your C drive. Okay, then if you see this one Apple Mac OS X here, then everything is fine. Select that and press next. You can give any name. I will give Mac OS. Here you can select your destination location where you want to install Mac OS. I prefer D drive, so I will use my D drive. This PC D drive. Make new folder. I will give Mac OS. Okay, Mac OS. Okay, next. We can increase to 80. Maximum disk size 80 GB. Okay, and select store virtual disk as a single file. This is very important. Press next, finish, and here we go. Your virtual OS is created, virtual machine is ready, and Mac OS is there. Before moving forward, you have to modify some file. So let's modify that. Close this window. Go to directory where we install Mac OS. Open Mac OS folder and open VMware Virtual Machine configuration file, and you have to open with any text editor. Open with Notepad. Go at the end and add this text at the bottom. I will also add this text in the description of this video. You can copy and paste it here, and also check your these things. Also check Ethernet 0 virtual dev should be VMX net 3. So try to find VMX net 3 in the notepad. not found. If it is not there, then also try to check if it is Ethernet 0 virtual dev is there or not. Let me find. Okay, fine. I found it, and here you can see the value is different. E10 something. If you find any other value, just replace it with VMX net 3. So I'll just copy VMX net 3 from here and paste it here and save file in close notepad. That's it. Now open VMware Workstation 17 player, and you can see macOS is already we have virtual machine. Just need to edit it and try, because we are going to run Android and iOS Xcode and Android Studio. So we must have to increase the size of memory. So try to check the maximum recommended memory 13.3. So I'll go till 12 something. 12 is enough, I think. 12.4. Okay. Press OK. Now start installing macOS. Okay. We can start our virtual machine. As you can see, now it will start installing macOS. Okay, here we go. We are ready to set up macOS. Select English. Next. First go to disk utility. Select disk utility. Continue. Okay, select virtual SATA hardware, hard disk, and erase and give name Mac OS. Anything you can give as per your choice. And this will not remove your Windows file or existing parent operating system. So this is just a virtual machine. So it won't erase anything on your Windows machine. Erase. This will format your disk, virtual disk, and press done. After that, press close and install Mac OS. Continue. Mac OS Fortuna installation. Continue. Okay. Press I agree. Agree. Select your hard drive and continue. This will start installing macOS. You can see it will take 18 minutes. You can see still it is showing 13 minutes. I am installing this from past 20 to 25 minutes, but still it is showing 13 minutes. It will take a lot of time. So be patient. Okay, finally it's installed after 25 minutes. Now select your country origin. You may face some difficulty using mouse, but we can resolve that later. We have solution for that also. Press on continue button. After selecting your country, press continue. Continue with your installation flow. Not now. Continue. Migration assistant. We don't require to migrate anything, so not now. Now it will ask your Apple ID and password. So you can enter your Apple ID. If you don't have, you can create one. So if you can't able to get the verification code from your previous version of iOS or something, then you can use I don't get the verification code. Click on that and it will give you a different option where you can select your mobile number and you can receive a verification code on the mobile. After verification, you will get this terms and condition. You just need to say I agree. Okay, it will ask you to create account. You just have to enter any password. I prefer my password. You can keep it simple. You can see it's now creating account. Wait for a while. Now setting up iCloud. Wait for the moment. Okay, it is asking for enable location service on this Mac. Okay, you can keep it as it is or you can also select it. It's optional. Continue. I would not like to share anything right now. Continue. Screen time, screen passcode. I would not set up right now. Just set up later. You can select your theme. I would like to go with dark theme. Press continue. Oh, immediately. Look at the effect. As soon as I selected it, automatically changed to dark theme. Yes, here we go. We have successfully installed Mac OS now, but still there is an issue. You can see the screen size is small. You need to change the resolution. So for that, we will do some more steps, and it will be resolved. Now you can see the display size is small. That is because of the resolution. You can check the resolution from the settings. Go to display. Where is this? Oh, it's here. Display, and you can see the display resolution is very small, 768 by default, and there is only one size. To improve the size of the display, we must have to download the VMware tools for macOS. Close it, and you can also shut down VMware. Shut down. It will close the VMware. after that you have to click on the link for VMware tool package. So after clicking here, so when you going to download, it requires you to log in. Okay, you can see VMware tools package for macOS 10.11 and later operating systems are available here. Click on that link. Okay, and you can find VMware tools package for macOS zip file. Okay, okay, we have to download zip file, so press on download. So it will ask you to log in. You can create new account. It is free of cost and even don't require any credit card or any card information. Or you already have existing account, then you can log in simply here. After logging, you can download the file, zip file. Okay, agree, accept. It will start downloading file. Oh, it's very small file. It will be downloaded immediately. Extract. Okay. So now we also have VMware tools. Now just start your VMware machine, VMware workstation. Go to macOS, edit virtual machine settings, CD DVD select and browse the file which we downloaded for tools. VMware tools, select Darwin file, open, press OK. Now start virtual machine again. After starting, it will boot up macOS. Wait for a while. Enter your password. You can see VMware tools here. Just double click on it and start installation process. Install VMware tools. Click on that. Okay. Now you can see the installation process is start. Press continue. Install for all user. So you can select by user also, but mostly you should select install for all users of the computer. Continue. Install. Installer will ask your password. Install software. Networking system. Press open system settings. Press OK. And after opening system settings, you can see allow option. System software from developer VMware Inc. was blocked. You can allow it here. It will ask for password. Unlock. OK. Restart is required, but don't require to restart. Not now. Close it. You just need to close all the windows. And now again start VMware tool. Install VMware tools. Continue. Install. It will ask for password. Install software. OK. So it will ask for privacy and security concern. Just open the privacy and security and go till bottom. You will find system software for developer VMware Inc. is blocked. You will find system software from developer VMware Inc. was blocked. Just allow it. Enter password. Unlock. A restart is required before new system extension has to be used. Not now. And close window. It will fail installation. Close. Close VMware tools and again start VMware tools by double clicking on it and install VMware tools. Continue. Install. It will ask for a password. Install software. OK. Wait for some time. This time it will successfully install because you already given the permission. And now you can restart your system. Now close your VM. Cancel. Now maximize your VM and go to full screen. Here we go. Mouse is also working fine now. There is no issue. You can see everything is working fine now. You can go to system settings and also check the display size. You can see the display size is correct now. So I think we are good now. Everything is working fine. So let me tell you what difficulties you may face while installing Mac OS on VMware. So first challenge is to patch the unlocker. So be careful while patching the unlocker. If you already have VM earlier installed, then clean it properly. Delete old folders from the C drive, program files, and delete properly everything. And then install VM and then patch it with unlocker. Secondly, when you install iOS ISO file, so while installing ISO file, it will take lot of time. So be patient. Now you can also use your App Store and anything, like you can download Xcode and start working on developing iOS application. So here we go. Your Xcode is here. Make make a note that when you try to install Xcode, it will take a lot of time to start the installation itself. So be patient and wait for start installation. And meanwhile, like it will take around 1 hour to install the Xcode, and this is like fully Mac machine working on your Windows. Thank you so much for watching.